To help you get started at canlookup.com, we're going to look at the navigation. And we're going to start on the home page because once you get familiar with that, the rest of the site will be a breeze. In the center of the page is some brief information about the site, some quick links for member signups, optional pricing, and any contests we are having. There are a few different ways to navigate through the website, the first of which is the main menu bar at the top of each page. Of course, there's a link back to the home page always on there. To the right is the link to add a free business listing. When you click it, you are taken to the member sign up page. On this page, you fill out the form with your personal contact information, your email address, and create a password. The business listing that you want to add will be added after the registration process, and we'll discuss that in the next video. The next item on the menu is Advertise with Us. This link takes you to the Products and Services page where you can view descriptions of the two membership types and some information about how to advertise on canlookup.com. For premium membership and advertising, you will want to click on the pricing link, which will take you to the pricing and packages pages. The first page contains all the individual items, and you can add them to the shopping cart and you can mix and match any items any way you see fit. The Packages page contains a variety of combinations of business pages and advertising that you can choose from to suit your advertising needs. The Contact page contains the CanLookup main contact information, which includes the email addresses for the various departments. The Members Login page is exactly that. Once you've registered, you enter your login ID and password to enter the members area. If you haven't registered yet, or if you've forgotten your password, there are links to pages to help you with both. That's the main menu bar. There's a similar one at the bottom of each page that contains the links we just showed you, as well as some additional ones, links, policies, employment opportunities, all of which you can explore on your own. Now, we're going to address how to navigate the business directory. There are two ways that you can do this. The first is the business search form located near the top of every single page. You can start by entering a business type or heading into the first space. Then you follow it by a city in the second space. For our example, we'll search for day spas. Why? Because if you sit behind a computer all the time like I do, you need one. Once you type in a few letters, a drop-down list will appear and you can select one. And the same thing for cities. In this case, we'll choose Calgary. Now this page is a search results, and as you can see, day spas in Calgary, Alberta. The text there is written by our search engine optimizer guy, and you can hide it if you want to get down to the results faster. As you can see, all the results for Calgary are right there. We're going to pick one of them just for the sake of showing you, and we'll choose that one right there. Now this is the default business page. The information up top is the contact information for the company. As a basic member, the people can sign up and change all that. Of course, there's a Google map there. What we've done is we put a link under unclaimed businesses that try to inspire people to sign up. And of course, there's a sign up link right there. And they can claim the business and they can change the listing information if they so choose to. The other way to get around the website is by the A to Z navigation bar. Now this lets you browse headings alphabetically. We'll click D because I have this thing for day spas right now. And as you can see, there's a list of all the headings under D with the number of listings beside it. We'll click day spas here. And we're looking at basically the same page with one big difference. At the bottom, because we did not specify a location, it is broken down into provinces. Choose BC for once. As you can see, by city, the list of all the day spas that are currently listed in our directory. And we'll just choose one here. And this is another business page, the stock default business page. This one, in this case, has a web address and an email address. The Google map is just your regular Google map. You can zoom in, you can play around with it. You can also go to Street View if the location supports it. That's the navigation of canlookup.com. But one very important thing you need to remember is when you look around the website and you see these little blue boxes with the question marks, those are put there specifically to guide people through the various forms and processes that need to be followed through on our website. Chances are if anybody has a problem, the answer is in one of those boxes.